And if you are new here, I'm so glad you found your way into my kitchen because today we are going to make something special. This is one of those recipes that seems a little bit decadent. It tastes amazing, but it's so simple to make. We are making a beautifully baked treat. It can go either way. It can be dessert or it can be breakfast. And honestly, I am not going to judge whichever way you choose. So today we are going to use these ingredients. We are going to use brightly lemony Bon Maman lemon curd, and we are going to use blueberries. These are fresh blueberries. Just wash those. I'm letting those drain. You will need a cup of self-rising flour and a cup of pure grain sugar. Also, we're going to start with 1 full stick of butter. Can't get any better than that. So whether you're having your morning coffee, you're having a brunch, or you just want something sweet to eat, we're going to make that today. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to bake. We're going to begin with our preheated oven at 400 degrees, and we're going to take our stick of butter and we're going to put it in an 8x8 baking casserole. Now take your butter in the baking casserole and place it in the oven and allow all of the butter to melt. You have seen me make this recipe in a variety of ways, but the basic recipe requires 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of pure sugar, and we'll need 1 cup of whole milk. Like I was saying earlier, this recipe is so versatile. All you need most of the time is fresh fruit, and you can change this up a million ways. I know I've made this recipe using apples. I cooked apples and then baked them into this basic recipe. Oh, there we go. I was afraid I was going to spill it, but you can change this up any way you want. I have used several fruits, but one thing I want to try in the future is Nutella. I have never put chocolate or Nutella in it, and I want to give that a try. I don't think there would be a problem with it. It might get a little bit too cooked into the pastry itself, but you know, that couldn't be a bad thing. I think it would be absolutely delicious. Now let's stir this. This couldn't be anything that your basic cook cannot make. If you don't even bake at all, this is still something that's very, very simple and a good place to start. I never had been much of a baker. I like to cook or grill outside more than I do baking, but I'm learning to bake a lot more, and I'm really enjoying it. It's very therapeutic. You are on your own. You can sit and come up with the best recipes, and right now, of course, my obsession is sourdough bread, and I don't know how much longer that's going to last because it's going to start being hot outside, and you know, you don't want to bake as often, but it's a good time to start beginning to bake, especially if it is too hot out or if it's a rainy day. Give it a try. It took me a while to get it almost perfected. I think baking is one of the best ways to enjoy your home. You are creating something that is enjoyed by all of your family and friends. Now let's remove our hot butter from the oven. And we're ready to begin. Now, you want to just put this in the butter. And we don't want to stir it. Although everything's always better with butter, we don't want to stir it. We just want to pour it in. And you can start to see that it wants to bake on the edges because the pan is hot, but we don't want to put it back in the oven yet. We want to add our lemon curd, and we're going to add this in dollops. Say each dollop is about a tablespoon. Ooh, that looks great. Now let's add our blueberries. And you can add quite a few blueberries, but not too many because you want it to bake up through the fruit. I'm not going to use all of these. I'm going to leave a few to garnish when we are finished. So let's pop this in the oven. Remember, you're at 400 degrees and we're going to bake it about 25 minutes, and I'll let you know when it's finished. I usually watch to see that it turns brown. I set this aside for just a moment because I was afraid it was too warm to put on the granite, which could be a disaster. And so now we can garnish this with a bit of powdered sugar. This is one of the recipes that you will bake, and you'll have guests in, and immediately when they walk in the door will ask, "What are you baking in the kitchen?" Now let's add those leftover blueberries. They are drained, and you're going to add a pop of color. Lemons and blueberries. I think that's a perfect combination for springtime or anytime. Now you could put a bit more lemon curd on top, or you could garnish your plate like this. Put a dollop to the side, almost as if it's a dip. And we're going to take a big chunk of our lemon blueberry dessert or breakfast. This is so delicious with coffee. I usually have it with coffee. Look at this. Let's add just the tiniest bit more of the powdered sugar just to make it that much more presentable. So beautiful, so delicious. The tangy lemon, the blueberries. I'm going to get a touch more of the lemon curd. Rush to your store and buy whatever ingredients you don't have. Make this dessert for breakfast in the morning. Perfection. If you like this type of dessert or dessert ideas, hit the subscribe button. Occasionally I will post desserts because I love to show videos about entertaining, whether it's cocktails, decorating, beautiful foods for beautiful people, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.